All the body with the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
What's up, guys? It's your boy BJ. Today we're going to be pitting swangers back on the Cadillac. Got some new center caps for him as well, and I'll go ahead and let you check those out here in just a second. If you see this little glare up here, I dropped my phone not too long ago and you busted the fuck out of my screen. It'll still work, so don't mind that. Went ahead and gave the dust covers a fresh new paint job. I don't know if you could tell that well. There's not too much sunlight. They look better in person, of course. Fresh paint, fresh clear coat. Got the car ready to jack up. We're gonna go ahead and pit these two prongs on there. Haven't rode on these. A couple months ago, Texan Wire Wheels came out with a new product and they got these two prong spinner caps now. They're pretty dope for center caps. I do have one thing to say about one of them, and I'll go ahead and show you what it is. So you've seen the ones outside. These ones right here so far spin about the best. We'll move on to this one. Nice and smooth, still spinning. Then we'll move on to this guy. Notice how those are still spinning, especially that one over there. This guy here is the one that frustrates me. Hear that? Being a new product that they just came out with, I understand that not everything's going to be perfect right off the shelf like that. I'm understanding on it. Upset me just a little bit when I pulled them out the box and they were like that, and I'm sure I could get in contact with Texan Wire Wheels about it and get something worked out. Really, instead of going through all the trouble, I'm just going to make do with it. I still like them. You win some and you lose some, that's for damn sure. If you look into getting some of these center caps, they do cost $200 for a chrome set, I think $60 for a single, and then $400 for a gold set. One more thing I want to let you guys know, or you buy center caps or whatever, they're going to come with hardware, and you get these little caps that go on the back of the wheel. I did have to use 2 per wheel to be able to make these center caps bolt on correctly. I don't know if everybody will have that same issue, but I sure did. So just in case, keep that in mind. If you have some of these laying around, keep them, don't throw them away. You get these center caps, you probably need an extra set, so just keep that in mind. I'm gonna go ahead and get to pitting these rims back on. I'm not gonna bore you with all the process of taking the old wheels off and pitting these ones back on. So I just got done pitting these wheels back on. I'll let you go ahead and check them out. See them rims right there, need a little bit of cleaning. They've been sitting for a while, so anyway, we'll get to washing this car when it gets a little bit nicer. It's been raining off and on. Anyway, until then, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll check you out on the next video. Peace.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? So I can do it, can't do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like bucket, you know they can't stop us. Keep my mind at ease.